More people than ever are now getting sick enough that they have to be admitted to the hospital. And there is absolutely no way that we can sustain this pace.
Now at 5, a word of warning from the head of the St. Louis Pandemic Task Force as hospitalizations reach a new high. Thanks for joining us. I'm Corey Stark.
I'm Samantha Jones, and in St. Louis County, Dr. Sam Page says it's not a matter of if, but when additional COVID-19 restrictions will be put in place. For now, though, he's asking St. Louis County residents to voluntarily stay at home. They also want you to limit your inner circle to no more than 10 people. Dr. Page says masks and social distancing must continue even if you're outside.
And today, a major breakthrough. Drug giant Pfizer announcing experimental COVID-19 vaccine is 90% effective. It's in its final phase of its vaccine trials. The company said one of the plants producing the millions and millions of doses is its facility in Chesterfield. Russell Kinsall has been learning more about how it will be distributed. He's live there now. Russell?
Yeah, Corey, the workers here at the Pfizer plant here in Chesterfield providing a bit of a light at the end of the tunnel. We know that the vaccine that they're making is not that far away. Today we heard that it's 90% effective. So when it starts rolling out of the plant, the state of Missouri says it has a plan to distribute it.
I 100% will get the vaccine. It's apparently going to be a 2-shot process. I can't wait for it.
There's a lot of excitement about the vaccines that are coming for COVID-19. Dr. Rachel Presti of Washington University's School of Medicine is overseeing a clinical trial for the Johnson & Johnson vaccine.
For those of us who've been working on this for months and months, it really sort of gives us a light at the end of the tunnel where we really think it's possible that, we will have a vaccine and a timeline that is not, years from now.
Pfizer says it'll make 50 million doses of its vaccine this year and over 1 billion next year. The company says the vaccine's been found to be 90% effective. The state of Missouri already submitted a plan for giving out the vaccine. Those with the highest priority are healthcare workers at long-term care facilities, followed by healthcare workers with underlying medical conditions, then critical infrastructure workers, and then those at high risk of getting the virus.
I think people also need to recognize that it's not that, millions of doses will arrive in St. Louis on any given day. These will come in small batches and they'll be distributed according to a tiering schedule. And so it's going to take many, many months.
The state's distribution plan envisions 48 people a day being able to be vaccinated at a doctor's office. Drive-up locations could vaccinate up to 94 people a day. And in one scenario, the state envisions 16 lines of people getting shots on a school basketball court for a total of nearly 1,300 vaccinations a day. But the majority of the people I spoke with on the street today said, not them.
I will not be getting that vaccine. I don't even really have a reason. I just don't trust it.
I won't take it because I don't trust it.
I won't at first until I know exactly what the side effects are, how effective it is.
That attitude does not panic healthcare professionals.
It's not going to be instantaneously available to everybody. And so people will have an opportunity to see what really are the side effects and how well does it work.
And Dr. Presti said she hopes the news about the Pfizer vaccine today will help those who have COVID fatigue. It will motivate them to continue to wear a mask when they're around other people, which we are not here, and use social distancing and not give up on those important safety guidelines, knowing that vaccines are not that far away, we hope. Live in Chesterfield, Russell Kinsall, News 4.